Hi, this is Dr. Vivek, and in this video I would like to discuss with you the 5 signs that are ignored by the women but can lead to the cancer or are the cancerous sign. So these should be taken seriously. I don't want to cause any panic, but this is an information that we all should know. This video is just for information and to spread the knowledge. That's all. So the first sign that you should consider seriously is if you have the cyst in the breast. The females, they have cyst in the breast, and the cyst is not round, it's not uniform, then it should be taken very seriously and should be analyzed. You have to rush to the doctor and the doctor should examine this. Second thing that should be not ignored are the bleeding between the periods. Means the irregular bleeding that happened between the period. Means if a female has the period of 28 days but the next periods were just after the 15 days. So this should not be ignored, and if it's happened for 2 months continuously, 2 to 3 months, it's more than enough. You should have an ultrasound. It can be because of the fibroid, it can be because of the cyst, and it can be because of the problem of the endometrium. So this has to be examined. If it will not be examined or not be treated, it can cause the uterus or the endometrial cancer. So this should be taken seriously and should be concerned with the doctor, and the analysis should be done. The third sign is if there are changes in the lymph node. Lymph nodes we have all over the body. It's okay to have the lymph node, even to feel the lymph node. The problem is when there is inflammation in the lymph node and the inflammation is more than a month. From a month it's not subsiding. This means you have to talk to the doctor before the things get worse. So don't ignore it if it's more than a month. The fourth sign, it is if a female smokes and she has the gray, white or yellow patches in the mouth, especially in this part of the lips. If in these parts, if there is a change in color and these kinds of patches you can see, then it's a serious sign. And yes, for sure, canker sores, if they're occurring frequently and it's very hard to treat, yes, they has to be shown to the doctor, because these things can convert into the problem, the serious problem. So it's better to concern and have all the analysis. The last sign that I would like to discuss is if a female is having bloating. See, bloating is normal for females. Every female, almost every female feels it, and it's very general in the female. So bloating in itself is not an issue to be so much be afraid of. But if you are having bloating plus sudden weight loss, you don't want to lose weight, or you're not doing anything that will cause weight loss, but you are having the weight loss and plus the menstrual cycle also. And even at the time of menstrual cycle, if there is a weight loss or there is sudden increase in the bloating, then it should be discussed with the doctor and it should be treated or should be analyzed. I hope this video was informative for you. It's better to know before than it's late. Smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.